Hi! In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 5S, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration features on this ASUS. Firstly, go into Settings, then choose Sound and Vibration over here and scroll down. Now you need to click on this switcher located next to touch vibrations to disable or enable them, and after that tap on also vibrate vocals. Over here select one of those options for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first then ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate, so I have to tap on it and go back. Lastly, choose vibration intensity by tapping on this option here and adjust the intensity of vibrations for incoming calls, notifications and touch ones by swiping left or right on the sliders over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!